Hello friends, here on this video how you can fix Bluetooth problem if your Bluetooth it's not working, or maybe your Bluetooth it's working but the file it's not sending. Okay, the file used to be break, okay, on your phone. So you can fix many problems under the Bluetooth. There is maybe your Bluetooth it's turned on but it's not working, or maybe it's not turning on. Okay, so friends, if you want to solve this Bluetooth problem, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Okay, so let's start the video. At first friends, here you have to move on file. Here's the Google file. You have to install this Google file. Okay, just tap on Google file. After you move on Google file, I just click on the back button. Again on the click back button. Then when I click on the back button, the first option is that your main thing is the nearby share, and here's the browse. Under the browse, just tap on browse. When you click on browse, here you are going to find the apps icon. So click on apps icon. After you click on apps icon, from here you have to tap on system apps. Okay, so friends, tap on system apps. After you tap on system apps, from here you have to search for the Bluetooth. Okay, you just scroll down and search for Bluetooth. So here is my Bluetooth. After you get the Bluetooth, here's the three dot icon. Tap on three dot icon. Then after that, from here is the uninstall app info and share, then select icons. But here friends, you have to move on this app info. When you move on app info, from here friends, you have to tap on the storage. Okay, after tap on storage, you just click on clear data. Okay, click on clear data. It says this will permanently deleted of this app data including files, setting and account. Okay, but I'm not clearing data. But if you are difficulty or facing the problem, just clear the data and clear the cache. Okay, then this will solve your problem. Okay, this is how you can solve the problem on your mobile phone. And friends, hope you loved the video, and if you like the solution, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye.